In English, the conditional is used to describe the result of a specific condition. It's formed by combining two clauses, the if clause and the main clause. In the if clause, the condition is stated and the main clause gives the result if the condition is met. For example, if it rains, we will go out. The condition is the rain and the result is that we will go out. There are 4 types of conditionals. No, maybe even 5. The zero conditional, the first conditional, the second conditional, the third conditional, and there is some other thing that is called the mixed conditional. In this video, we'll talk about the zero, the first, the second, and the third conditional. Stay tuned.
703 confirm ready for descent. Roger, descent level light 0, report Abbey Mahmoud.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this new video. I'm Christelle. In this video, we'll explore the different types of conditionals. The zero conditional is used when the result is certain. In the if clause, the verb is in the simple present, and in the main clause, the verb is also in the simple present. For example, if water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. It's a fact. It's a general truth. When water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. Nothing has changed. It's still true. Another example, if you heat ice, it melts. Ice is always going to melt if you heat it. There is no other option. The second conditional is used to talk about things that might happen in the near future. Of course, we can't predict the future, but we can imagine what might or might not come true easily. So here, in the if clause, the verb is in the simple present, but in the main clause, it is in the future. We use will plus the infinitive. The difference with the zero conditional is that here, the result is specific, the consequence is specific, it's not a general truth. For example, if I don't leave now, I will be late. Now listen to these two sentences in the zero conditional and the first conditional and tell me the difference. Sentence number 1, if you stay under the sun, you get burned. Sentence number 2, if you stay under the sun, you will get burned. Let me know in the comments what you think the difference is. The second conditional is used to imagine present or future situations that are impossible or at least not very likely to happen in real life. In the if clause, the verb is in the simple past tense, and in the main clause, we'll have would plus the infinitive. For example, if I were younger, I would travel more. I'm not younger, I'm not going to travel more, it won't happen. It's unrealistic. Another example, if I were rich, I would buy an airplane. I'm not rich, I'm not likely to get an airplane anytime soon. The third conditional is used to talk about past consequences of a non-realistic action or a non-realistic situation in the past. I know it sounds confusing, but it isn't. So in the third conditional, we talk about something that could have happened. We already know it did not happen, but we imagine that it had happened, and then we describe the consequence if it had happened. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed my exam. I did not study harder and I did not pass my exam. So the consequences and the conditions are all in the past. In this case, the verb in the if clause is in the past perfect, and in the main clause we have would plus have plus the past participle. If my alarm had gone off earlier, I would have arrived on time. Now here is a question for you. Comment the answer if you have understood. If I had gone to med school, I dash to be a doctor. So guys, this video was about the zero, the first, the second, and the third conditionals. Now, there is something that we call the mixed conditional. If you want to find out more about that, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. like, comment, and share the video to help as many people as possible. And of course, our next video will be about the mixed conditional and the inverted conditionals. Stay tuned.